To this video. In this video, we will be discussing what is freelancing and benefit and drawback. Okay. So, first of all, what is freelancing? Freelancing is a type of self-employment where individuals work on a project or contract basis for clients rather than being a permanent employee of a single company. Freelancers are typically hired for their specialized skill, expertise, and experience in particular area such as writing, designing, programming, or marketing, etc. Okay. So we can take an example. Okay, I am client and you are a freelancer. Just assume that you have a skill of video editing. Okay, then I am hiring for you for 6 months to edit my videos in this channel. So there I am taking you as a freelancer, hiring you as a freelancer, and you are selling your skills to me. To simultaneously you are working with me, and also you can work with other companies also. That is the key concept of what is freelancing. That means your self-employment. You are working for different companies or for an individual. Okay, hope you have understand. And now let's look the characteristic of freelancers. Freelancers have the freedom to work with multiple clients simultaneously and set their own schedules, rates, and working conditions. They are responsible for their own taxes and benefit, and they are typically provide their own equipments and tools. So, freelancers have the freedom to work with multiple clients, as we have discussed earlier, and we can set our own schedule and our own rate and working condition. All can be as that means be our own boss. That means you are your boss. There is no other boss for you, and so you are responsible for your own taxes and benefit. There is no other companies or any other individual is responsible for your own benefit and taxes. And so you have to be with internet connectivity, laptop or system, whatever it needed. You have to be equipped with all the tools. No companies or other clients will provide you these things. So next, we can move to examples of freelancing jobs. Okay. So freelancing jobs can vary widely, but some common examples include graphic designing, writing and editing, web development, social media management, virtual assistant, and consulting services, and many more. Okay. So these are some examples of freelancing jobs. So next, benefits of freelancing. Freelancing provides flexibility and control over work, including the ability to work from anywhere in the world, set your own rate, choose your clients and projects. Freelancers also have potential to earn more than traditional employees, especially if specialize in high demand or niche areas. That means you have to be learn high income skills. See, for example, sales is a high income skill. Next, video editing, high income skill. Coding, high income skill. So basically, you can learn anything that is high value and a high demand in our industry. You can make use of that. Okay, you can benefit from that skill. Next, drawbacks of freelancing. So as we have discussed the benefit, there are some drawbacks. So freelancing can be unpredictable. That means our income and job security cannot will be fluctuated. Okay, we cannot guarantee a job security or income, a correct income for each month. So it can vary. Freelancers also have to handle their own marketing and sales, manage their own finance, deal with administrative side of running a business. So as I said earlier, you are your boss. So you have to deal with all kind of things while you are running a business or you are working individually. Anything you have to be taken care of. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.